parents in my course to let me marry a non-Parsi.
One of the
So
things in my book,
So he stayed at my home for 6 months to let my parents get to know him.
Oh, really?
Moving, you get to know
Oh,
him.
yeah.
and he passed all the tests.
No, he had a big beard.
Yeah, a long
He
beard.
flunked
Yeah.
because of the
Oh,
beard.
wow, really?
And Parsis don't like beards.
Well,
I look bad.
Parsis have.
Apparently, so they say.
like a
I don't
beard,
think so,
it
but-
was
And
this
how
whole-
about your family?
Oh, they were
fine.
they were very supportive. I mean, the day my beard was out, I was the best person on earth. I mean, yeah, I haven't grown a beard since then.
Like a Gujarati getting a Parsi is getting a princess to own, you know. So he is, people will be happy.
Yeah.
But Parsis are very special. They don't like their woman to go.
He knows a lot of Parsis.
Because I work for Godrej,
Oh.
and all my best bosses
Come on,
are
Most of
Godrej.
the Parsis I
Come
know,
on.
the internet. You know, I worked in Tisco, Irish Steel Company. It's a Parsi
Right.
Yeah.
thing. And they normally intermarry.
Yeah.
They don't marry.
They have a lot of problems
Oh, yeah.
with this.
This is very unusual that I have seen.
Yeah.
I've never
No,
seen this.
many Parsis nowadays marry outside. But then fact remains that they have, if they are really Parsis, they have got some problem. All of them have got some problem. Either they cannot control their anger, some sort of
Now,
problem.
I had a wonderful boss. My name is Sigan Poria. Wonderful Parsi language. He had no anger. But he went to Gindi in Madras. And he spoke Tamil better than a Tamilian. So it's just amazing.
He made me a consultant out of an engineer.
Okay.
No.
गजल की गजल क्या गाना है?
Let him say.
Like some candy?
Really eating so much.
No sugar?
You see? बहुत you know, Ghalib is little थोड़ा.
Time later.
Very
Let me see.
Too many people paying attention.
Yeah, I can't, you know, when you say Ghalib now, you know, I can't remember which one. I mean, न गुले नगमा हूँ ना पर्दाए साज मैं हूँ अपनी शिकस्त की आवाज तू और आराइशे ख़मे काकुल मैं और अंदेशहाए दूर व दराज लाफितम की फरेबे सादा दिली हम हैं और राज हाय सीना गुदाज तू हुआ जलवागर मुबारक हो रेज़िश सिजदे जबीन नियाज ऐ तेरा गमज़ायक कलम अंगेज ऐ तेरा दुल्म सरबसर अंदाज असदुल्ला खां तमाम हुआ ऐ दरेगा वो रिंदे शाहिद बाज
Raji, you sing.
तेरे तौसन को सबा बांधते हैं हम भी मज़मून की हवा बांधते हैं आह का किसने असर देखा है आह का किसने असर देखा है हम भी अपनी हवा बांधते हैं तेरी फुर्सत के मुकाबिल ऐ उम्र बर्क को पाबहिना बांधते हैं अब जरा समझाइए इट्स ब्यूटीफुल पोएट्री
difficult Urdu. That's the
you know it's like, you know
It's very hard
तेरी
for me to
तेरी
understand.
फुर्सत के मुकाबिल you know he's talking about उम्र तेरी age you know तेरी फुर्सत के मुकाबिल ऐ उम्र he's telling उम्र कि तेरी फुर्सत के मुकाबिल ऐ उम्र कि बर्क को पाबहिना बांधते हैं बर्क is lightning you know lightning is like a woman you know who's put mehndi on her legs. When a bride has mehndi, she walks very slowly. He says that even the lightning is as slow as this beautiful woman.
Oh wow, that's interesting.
Yeah.
I didn't understand it. Now I know. The Fursat in Muqabala, there's no comparison to your Fursat means what does Fursat mean?
Fursat. How do you translate it?
Fursat means leisure full time. Leisure full time. Fursat.
Leisure.
Guruvayurappa, if you want to see him, you should have all these flowers. Chetti, Mandaram, Tulasi, Pichagapu, everything. And then with that, Yesudas is a Christian. When he went to Shabarimala, he was refused entry because he is a famous Christian. But I went there, no problem, nobody knows. But when he went there, they stopped him. Then he said, I believe in Ayyappa. I have come because of my faith. And he said, my name is Jeshu Das, Christ Das. But my son's name will be Ayyappa Das. And he kept that name.
And they didn't allow him? Why?
Then they allowed him. And then he went to Guruvayur because he's a Christian. He's not supposed to put...
Yesudas is like a great singer.
Yesudas. When he went to Guruvayur, he was not allowed again. Stopped again. Then he made a song that I will sing and open you will open Guruvayurappa, you will open your nada for me. I will sing and make you open. And that song became the #1 hit. How was that, Raji?
How does that song go?
Guruvayurappa.
I've heard that song.
He makes a song and it's such a, it makes your, all of your, this will stand up and you will really fume with worship. And really, if Guruvayurappan hears it, he will really open it and say, Jesudas coming. That sort of a song he made.
The song is like
Guruvayurappa.
the depth, the meaning.
The meaning is so deep.
They didn't let him go to Madurai temple.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No, you need to only change from your pant and then go into the Indian dhoti custom, you can go.
No, he had everything. He had even that thread because they didn't.
Really? Yeah, they didn't let me go in.
Oh, they didn't let you in?
No.
That was where?
Madurai.
Madurai, yeah.
Yes, you should ask them.
I
Is
know.
God also racist?
Yeah, exactly. I tried to, but they won't let it
So change your name. Sometimes the name.
I've been obsessed with music for a very long time.
Hi, Jessica. How are you?
I also collect scores, sheet music. I have about 200 gigabytes of scores.